हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप कि आप सभी लोग स्वस्थ होंगे और अपनी स्टडीज़ में पूरी डेडिकेशन के साथ इंगेज्ड होंगे। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट डाउट लेने वाले हैं। डाउट दोस्तों ये है कि आपने दोस्तों पढ़ा होगा इंट्रोगेटिव, एडजेक्टिव, आपने पढ़ा होगा इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन, ओके। देन आपने पढ़ा है इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव, ओके। एंड देन आपने पढ़ा है इंट्रोगेटिव एडवर्ब, और इन सब की डिफिनेशन आपने पढ़ी है। दे आर यूज्ड टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस। सो देन व्हाट इज द की डिफरेंस, हम कैसे पहचानेंगे कि कोई चीज़ इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन के कब है, कोई इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव कब है और कोई इंट्रोगेटिव एडवर्ब क्या है। तो दोस्तों इस वीडियो में हम तीनों में जो की डिफरेंसेस हैं उनको हम समझने का प्रयास करेंगे। तो वीडियो को आपको लास्ट तक देखना है ताकि आपका ये डाउट हमेशा के लिए क्लियर हो जाए। तो चलिए बिना डिले करते हुए अपने वीडियो को स्टार्ट करेंगे। देखिए दोस्त, ध्यान से समझना, ध्यान से बिल्कुल समझने का प्रयास करना। एक एक टॉपिक की हम बात करेंगे, ओके। एक एक टॉपिक की हम बात करेंगे ध्यान से। तो दोस्तों सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन के बारे में। सबसे पहले बात करेंगे इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन के बारे में। पहले दोस्तों हटाइए इसको, पहले इसको हटाइए। पहले मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स, ओके। आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स, ओके। Question words means words that ask question, question words। अब दोस्तों क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स क्या हैं आपके? तो who, whom, what, which, whose, when, where, how often, etc. Okay, so they are question words, means they are used to ask questions. And now who, whom, what, which and whose, okay, they are called interrogative pronoun. My dear students, they are called interrogative pronoun. Okay, understood? They are interrogative pronoun. These words are interrogative pronoun: who, whom, what, which and whose. And understood this one. And what, which and whose. And when you get a noun after these words, means you will find a function like this. When you find a function like this, okay, means what plus noun, means which plus noun, and whose plus noun, means after these three words you are getting noun. So my dear students, these words what, which and whose, they will be interrogative adjective. Okay, first two things clear na? Who, whom, what, which, whose. If there is no If they are used without any noun, so they will be interrogative adjective. But you are getting a noun after these words like what, which, whose, and then you are getting a noun after these words, so they will be interrogative adjective. Okay, so these 5 words are interrogative pronoun, and which, whose, which means these 3 words, what, which, whose, they can be interrogative pronoun or they can be interrogative adjective. When you get a noun after these 3 words, what, which, whose, then they will be interrogative adjective. And if there is no noun is used after these words, so they will be interrogative pronoun. Okay, understood? And now remaining words. When, where, how, and how often. Okay, I am making it shorter so that all things cover in one page. Okay, how, when, where, and how often. And how often, my dear students, they are adverb. They are called interrogative adverb. They are called interrogative adverb. They are called interrogative adverb. Understood? This is the key difference. This is the key difference between interrogative pronoun, interrogative adjective, and interrogative adverb. It is, my dear friends, interrogative adverb. It is interrogative adverb. Okay, so now I'm one time explaining more. Who, whom, what, which, whose, they are called interrogative pronoun. Okay, what, which, whose, if you are getting a noun after these words, so they will be interrogative adjective. Okay, means what, which, whose, they can be interrogative adjective as well as interrogative pronoun. How, when, where, and how often, they are interrogative adverb. Okay, so I hope now you have a clear concept to identify which is interrogative pronoun, which is interrogative adjective, and which is interrogative adverb. So now I am going to ask some questions to you. Please tell me which is interrogative pronoun, adjective, or adverb. Okay, my dear students. So first question. So my first question I am going to ask you, please try to answer. Okay, so my dear students, please tell me here whose is which interrogative adjective it is, or interrogative adjective, or interrogative pronoun, or interrogative adverb. Please tell me, try to answer. Okay, first question this is. Second question. Okay, so first two questions tell me. And one more question I'm giving you. Third question. You try to you keep trying. Okay, I'm giving 5 questions, then I will solve. Here tell me when is which interrogative. Fourth one. Fourth one, right? Fifth one is Okay, now my dear students, try to answer this question. Okay, so first one is, whose book is this? Whose book is this? So I have told you na, when you find a noun after whose, so it will be interrogative adjective. It will be interrogative adjective. So here whose is an interrogative adjective. Okay, clear? Next one is, which of the cars do you want to buy? So you can easily see which. After which there is of, there is no noun. So it means that it is interrogative pronoun. It means that it is interrogative pronoun. It is interrogative pronoun, my dear students. Okay. Next one is, when will you come? When will you come? So simply you can see how, when, where, how often, they are interrogative adverb. So here when is an interrogative adverb. It is an interrogative adverb. Interrogative adverb. And when you reply of this question, when will you come, so the reply of when is always a time. You always say some time. So that's why the reply of when is adverb of time. Okay, that is case. So when is interrogative adverb. Who is calling you? So who, simply I told you, who is simply only interrogative pronoun. It is only interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun simply. Okay, next one is, which car do you want to buy? So here you can see after which there is a noun. After which there is a noun. So what I have said, it is interrogative adjective. It is interrogative adjective. It is interrogative adjective. It is interrogative adjective. Understood, my dear friends? Now I am going to conclude my class. Now I am going to conclude my class. Okay, so now we are going to conclude the class. So what I told you? I told you who, whom, who, whom. Okay, who, whom. They always be interrogative pronoun. Okay, interrogative pronoun. Understood this one na? Who, whom, they are always interrogative pronoun. Next, then what, which and whose. What, which and whose. What, which and whose. Okay, what, which and whose. They can be both. They can be interrogative pronoun. They can be interrogative pronoun. They can be interrogative pronoun, as well as they can be interrogative adjective, as well as they can be interrogative adjective. They can be interrogative adjective. Okay, understood na? And when they will be interrogative adjective, so when a noun is used after these words. A noun is used when a noun is used after these words. After these words. Understood? So when you will get a noun after these words, so they will be interrogative adjective. Otherwise, they will be interrogative pronoun. Okay. And the last thing was that how, when, where, and how often. They are only interrogative. They are only interrogative what? They are only interrogative adverb. They are, my dear students, they are interrogative adverb. They are interrogative adverb. So I hope you have understood what is the key differences between interrogative adjective, interrogative pronoun and interrogative adverb. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Thanks for watching and like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Like, share, subscribe and comment also. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.